Hello guys, this is Wasp Media. Gonna show you on how to transfer files data from your phone to your laptop. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do and subscribe. Click on the bell for more video. We'll be having so much tutorial on this channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, first of all, what you have to do is you go to Google Play Store on your Android phone. Then you search for file manager, file manager. Click on this particular one. You install it on your PC. Mind you, for this tutorial to work on your PC and your phone, your PC and your phone have to connect to one Wi-Fi network. If you are connected to different Wi-Fi, this tutorial may not work for you. So as we are waiting for our file manager to finish download, I've already downloaded mine, and then we can use mine from there. So this is it. When you enter into your file manager, this is what you have right now. What I want you to do is that go to your Wi-Fi settings and open network. At this area, open network and sharing center. Now if you are on your network and sharing center, make sure you open up your wireless network connection and then go to details for you to view your IP address. So this is my IP address. This is it. So I'm gonna copy this because I'll be needing it later on. So let's go back to our phone. So what we have to do is to come down here and then click on remote, and then you had a remote connection. Mind you, you had a remote connection which is local network. You manually enter it. So what you enter is your IP address that you copied earlier on. You enter it .168.1.101, and then you enter your PC name. The name of my PC is WAS, so you enter WAS. See, I don't know the name of your PC, maybe that one too will not be WAS, but I've entered WAS, and then you enter the password of your PC. And then voila, and then that's all. You connect, and then you will be able to transfer file and data from your PC to your laptop. That's it. Subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button and comment as well. Expect more video from Wasp Media.